I am so tired of cleaning these intricate wheels. You got to sit there with the rag and get in all the little spots. It is freaking annoying. So I found an answer. This Gerbil Brush. How cool is this thing? Only one thing to do. Not going to waste time talking to you other than saying it's cool looking. Let's use it, see how it works, and I'll let you know what the experience is like. All right, what do you say we put this bad boy to work? All right, here we go. So far, so good. Oh no, I'm able to get in here. That is cool. It's normally a trouble spot for me getting in those. All right, so far so good. Let's see what it looks like when I actually rinse it off. All right, she's fully foamed up. Let's rinse her off and really test those blowers, see if they get this car dry. Okay, the wheels are beautiful, and this is a vast improvement over a rag. Now, it doesn't eliminate the rag entirely. There's still lots of flat surfaces which need the rag to kind of cover a lot of surface area. But overall, this is definitely an essential tool for cleaning your wheels. It really is an absolute improvement than just the rag. So you should definitely get yourself one. There's a link down below. There's a link on the screen. If I've added some value here, like the video, follow the channel, hit that hype feature if we're here on YouTube. And if you have any questions about this little guy, throw them in the comments. We'll have a conversation about it. If you have any questions about that little guy, we can talk about that too. Hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.